case we die. We're fully responsible. A beautiful morning for the swing. It was actually quite close, so we came from Bandung area and it took I think just under an hour, so maybe just 40 minutes, and there's actually multiple swings here. I always thought there was like one big swing, but there's like 4 or 5 going on, and we're here at I think 9:30. Is it 9:30? Well, it's not 10 a.m. yet, and it's not that busy actually. Multiple swings going on. So it's kind of pricey, $35 per person, which would be around what, like 400,000 per person. But you get all of this. You get food, you get 12 swings, 5 cute nests, hard rock in the jungle. So there's a lot of things, and there's no limit to your times. There's these 3 bigger ones and the ones that we saw in front, and there's these cute nests. So we went on one swing. That was more than enough for an early morning without proper breakfast and coffee. And then we went on some rocks, a heart-shaped rock and a nest, and our lovely driver, Skinny Budha, took photos for us. He's very popular in Melbourne. A lot of people use him as a driver. Say hello to all your Melbourne fans.
Hi, Melbourne.
So if you want him as your driver, I'll link his details below. I'll put it in my video, your number. Can you teach us some Indonesian?
Terima kasih.
What does that mean?
Thank you.
Thank you. How do you say I'm hungry?
Saya lapar.
Saya lapar. How do you say I need to go toilet?
Saya mau ke toilet.
Saya mau ke toilet. What about I love you?
Saya cinta kamu.
Oh, also saya. What does saya mean?
Saya mean I.
Oh, I. Okay, makes sense. Can you get in? Do you want me to take a photo for you? So now it's lunchtime and we've got some, I think, traditional Balinese food. I'm not sure what it is, but we got 1 piece of each, and we've got a beautiful view to accompany our lunch with. There you go. We're in the monkey forest in Ubud. I was here 2 years ago, but I'm always looking forward to coming back here. We've already seen some baby monkeys and some big monkeys. I think last time when I came here, you were allowed to buy like bananas to feed them, but not so much anymore. But if you tip the groundskeepers, you can still manage to get a photo with the monkeys because you can't touch them. But ooh, here come. Bye. This means don't look them directly in the eye. Justin, look. Don't look it directly in the eye or you're screwed. So entrance fee was 50,000 per person, which is like $5 Australian per person. And then you have however long you want to spend it here. We're on our way down to Tegenangan Waterfall. It's 15,000 per person, so around $1.50. No, what? Yeah, $1.50 Australian dollars. And if you're not good with stairs, don't come here because there's a lot of stairs down. They're actually well built, so it's not that bad. But if you want to climb higher to where the waterfall is, there is a lot of man-made, non-nice stairs that'll be very, very troublesome. And wear some good footwear. I know, like, for going to the waterfall, you want to wear thongs or flip-flops, but definitely wear some runners or something that you can slip on and just walk with more ease.
waterfall. So that is where we just came from down there. We are at our final stay for our trip and we have chosen something a little bit different. It's in the thick of it. It's in the jungle in Ubud, where the monkey forest was, and Tegalaleng rice terrace and the Teganangun waterfall. So this place has a lot of touristy things to do, but last time I came I only did a day trip, but we thought we'd get out of Seminyak and go deeper into Bali, and I booked this one on Scoopon actually. It was really cheap. So 3 nights for $300, and it includes like a 60-minute massage for 2 people, 2 3-course meals for 2 people, and free trekking tours with a car to accompany you as well. So get ready for this area. It's very cool. It has a communal pool, but everyone has their own private kind of bamboo hut style villas. So we're right in the jungle and all of these are separate villas. And welcome to ours. This is our view for the next 3 days. Amazing. Where we'll be taking our breakfast. This is his second mee goreng serving already.
So good.
And this is our room. And they even wrote happy anniversary on the bed. It's very simple, but it's very nice. And you've got this little window over here. This one just destroyed the bathroom, so I'm gonna hold my breath when we go inside and take a look, because there's something very special. So that's a toilet, shower, and then wow, and bath with a view. We are at a coffee plantation.
Bali in this process.
Hello.
Rice coffee, okay.
Hi.
Hi.
This is Ari.
Yeah, hello.
She's taking us on a tour of the coffee plantation.
This Arabica coffee.
Oh, Arabica coffee.
Yeah, Arabica coffee, they have small leaf, you can see it, and big bean. This is the beans.
Oh.
But right now, that's bean still young.
Yeah, very green.
Yeah, very green. You can see the flower.
Yeah. What color is the flower?
That's white flower.
White flower,
Yeah,
okay.
when the flower is open, that smell like it does.
Oh, these are the luwak.
Yeah, this is the animal, they make it the coffee, right?
Oh,
This is our coffee.
This is the poo coffee.
They wake up.
Yeah.
They active only at night time.
Oh, so they sleep during the day.
They sleep during the day. So that's luwak. We
Yeah.
still keep on the gauge because there is the couple.
Oh, okay.
So they have honeymoon right now.
They have honeymoon.
But later when they have baby already, we take out them to the jungle.
Oh, in the jungles.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
in the wild, they are free.
Yeah.
We not have the gauge for this animal. So the luwak, usually there is the smart animal because they can smell it. Which one is the best quality of coffee bean?
So they only eat the
Yep.
good ones.
Yeah, they eat only the good one. After they find, they are adjusting for the skin of coffee bean, so that coffee bean swallow to the stomach.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they have fermented in the stomach that with the special enzyme
Yeah.
of the luwak.
Yeah.
It's around 8 hours, and then after a
8
hour they have
hours.
the poop. Yep.
Oh, okay.
So we
And then you go collect?
yeah, and we collect and we make coffee.
Wow.
But don't worry, we have a long time.
Yeah.
This is that poop. Later, after we collect that, so the normally poop that's wet, that we dried first 2 weeks. And this is from the poop.
Wow.
It's more light, different, very different color. This is more dark.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You just
Yeah.
touch poop. Hi.
So, right here, this is the color after 45 minutes. Right here that we pound it until we get just the fine one.
Oh, wow.
For
So you
this
hand
one,
do it.
yeah,
Wow.
handmade. We do 1 hour.
Wow.
Lots of exercise. So they've also got another Bali swing here, the coffee swing.
The coffee.
Oh, that's a nice view.
Yeah.
Lovely. Whoa, hands free.
What's it?
Yeah. A day to stand up on it.
Looks so focused.
The Titanic photo point. Lovely.
Thank you.
Is this the lure?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. Smells good.
Wow, look at these.
This is your test try.
Oh, look at the green one.
Green one, pandan iced tea.
Oh, pandan iced tea. Yum.
We put the name under the cup like this, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
awesome.
yeah.
I thought we had to guess which one we were drinking.
Yeah.
Go on, try your cappuccino.
You try first.
No, I want you to try first. This is the Luwak coffee. Does it taste normal to coffee? The Melbourne coffee connoisseur.
Tastes like filtered coffee.
So like watery coffee?
So watered down coffee. It's not as strong as.
Alright, alright. We're going for the mangosteen.
Tastes like airplane jelly.
Oh, I love airplane jelly. What's this one?
Rosella tea.
Why are you swishing it around like it's a glass of wine?
Watered down airplane jelly.
That tastes like fruity. I like that one. Mocha coffee.
Gotta swirl it to move the sediment around, you know.
Oh yeah.
Tastes like those little coffee lollies. You get the spice tea.
Are you ready?
Tastes like very sweet chrysanthemum tea.
I love your descriptions. He should work here.
Ginseng coffee.
Ooh, this one's interesting.
Watered down version of the coffee lolly.
So not ginsengy?
Not really ginsengy.
What's this?
Lemon tea.
Ooh, me fave. Ooh, tastes like the stuff you put on lemon chicken.
Lemongrass tea.
Ooh, I like lemongrass.
This smells like a cough blossom. A lemon flavored cough blossom. Strepsils. That's
Oh,
what
it smells like strepsils.
tastes like strepsils. Lemon strepsils.
Soothe your throat.
So it does taste good. Ginger tea.
Ooh.
Yes. Once it hits your throat, then it makes it.
Ooh, healthy though. Good for you. And the very last one.
Pandan.
Nice. Tastes like rice. It's like rice in a drink. There we go. All the coffees and teas. So of course we had to get some things before we left. I got 2 Bali mocha coffees for my coffee lovers and friends. And then also a ginger tea because my mum loves her ginger tea. This one is so strong. This is the one that Justin choked on before. We have made it to Tegalalang Rice Terraces. Oh, the sun just went down perfect. And you can actually go inside and trek. So last time I just came to the very top. I didn't actually know you could go inside, but there are a lot of cafes here and a lot of small stores where you can get your souvenirs. I also got this hat. How amazing. Look at all the works of art. So there's a lot of different types of patterns and paintings and all the hats, and we just got it from a street side stall. Here it is. Amazing. So this isn't even the biggest one. What's the biggest one called again?
Jatiluwe.
Jati, and that's the UNESCO site one.
Yep, UNESCO rated.
But this one is pretty damn big already. And it's super close as well. This was about 5 minutes from the coffee plantation that we were at before. Now we're downtown. Whoa. She's strong. Yeah, very strong. Okay. I got most of them. One more? Thank you. We are just having a little relaxation with some beer at this little straw and bamboo hut along the rice terraces. We've been climbing downwards for ages, so it's nice to sit down for a little bit. If we do have to climb all the way back and up, I think I might just faint. But this place is absolutely beautiful. Justin's just flying his drone at the moment. There's actually also around 5 swings here, I think, and a lot cheaper. I think they're around 150,000, so $15 Australian per person. And the one that we went to at Bali swing was $35 USD per person. So I recommend you not go to the Bali swing and go to the ones at the rice terraces or the coffee plantation. Basically, there's Bali swings all over Bali now. are having our lunch break now. I think this place is called the Grand Pungka Sari restaurant and it's near Mount Budha. You can see it right behind me. How amazing is this view? How amazing is this lunch setting? So it's a buffet style with all the traditional Balinese foods. I just had a peek. There is so much food and it's crazy. I'm being the nice person and letting Justin go get his food first because he's starving. And just get a load of that. Whoa! More mee goreng?
Just love it.
You haven't had enough? Is that spring roll? Yum.
Spring roll, yeah.
Yum. Alright, we got almost one of everything. We got some mee goreng, skewers, vegetable, potato chips, spring rolls, curry chicken, an egg omelette, gado, which is tofu, soybeans, and some sauce on top. And we also got some deep fried, like tempura looking vegetables.